Old Clothing Upcycling Tutorials by Miarti. Measure 36 centimeters from the waistband and cut old pants into shorts. How to sew shorts. Measure 8 centimeters down from the pant leg cut. Mark a straight line with chalk and cut the piece with tailor's shears. Inseam slitting for pants. Cut the pant legs open along the inseam. Pattern drafting for top. Measure 20 centimeters in length and 9 centimeters in width. Mark the armhole line with chalk and cut with tailor's shears. Assembling the DIY top. Fold the top pieces right sides together, pin with straight pins, and stitch the side seams on a sewing machine. Serger Edge Finishing. Finish the side seams on a serger to prevent the fabric from fraying. Armhole Finishing Tutorial. Finish the top armholes on a serger, fold the allowances inward, and stitch on a sewing machine. Cutting the neckline. Make a cut down the center of the front top piece with tailor's shears to shape the neckline. Serging Raw Edges. Finish the cut neckline of the top and the bottom edges of the shorts on a serger. Hemming knit fabric. Fold the neckline and shorts hem allowances inward and stitch on a sewing machine. Making DIY shoulder straps. Cut 2 narrow fabric strips from the leftovers, fold them lengthwise, pin with straight pins, and stitch on a sewing machine to create straps. Attaching straps to top. Place the straps at the inner neckline corners, fold the shoulder seams of the top, secure with pins, and stitch on a sewing machine. Fabric gathering technique. Gather the fabric across the full width of the piece, secure with pins, and run a straight securing machine stitch. Romper Assembly Tutorial. Finish the bottom edge of the top on a serger. Place it right sides together with the top edge of the shorts, and stitch on a sewing machine. Romper DIY Review. Showcase the finished, stylish knit romper with shorts and a tie strap top.